What if I tell you that you don't need 10 different software tools to run your online business? When I started my online business, I started with WordPress, and then I needed a membership, and then I needed a community, and then I needed plugins for all kinds of tools. And before I knew, my online business was built based on 10 different software tools connected with Zapier. It was a disaster to maintain this platform. But you can run your online business pretty simple with just one software platform that's called Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one software platform for your full online business. You can run everything with it, and I'm going to show you in this video what you can do with it. I'm Bastiaan de Koning. I'm from Jiffy Course Online, and I work with Kajabi for more than 10 years, and it's running my full business. And currently we have 3 online businesses running fully on Kajabi. And in the last 10 years, we worked with over 1,100 entrepreneurs to build their online businesses, to let them grow. And if you want to learn how you can grow your online business up to a 100K yearly business, download the Hitchhikers guide you see below. In this guide, I'll tell you the 6 steps you need to take to get to that online business by using just one software platform and 3 online products. Let me take you to the dashboard of Kajabi. The first thing you might notice is how clean it looks. The left sidebar has all kinds of sections, and here you find all the features in Kajabi. And on the main panel of your screen, you will find the dashboard information when you come, where you see your turnover and how many people signed up. You have a very fast overview how your business is running. But as I said, Kajabi is an all-in-one platform, and you don't need all kinds of different software tools. So what kind of features does Kajabi offer you? The first thing you find in the left sidebar are the products. And products are all those items, all those stuff that you can sell online. And this can be your courses, your coaching, your community, your podcast, your newsletters, or downloads. And Kajabi organizes them in a library where you find all your products here. So here we have all types of foods, and this is a course. It's a demo course we currently created, and when you just upload your images, it looks great. Then Kajabi has a coaching product also. So when we click here, we have a coaching product, and people can immediately schedule their session by selecting one of the time slots you made available to them. In your library, people can go to the community. And here in the community, people can post feedback or comments or interact with other people in your program. Kajabi also has a newsletter, and a newsletter is a tool you can use to create newsletters that people also can purchase. So the newsletter is posted on your website and people can opt in to read the full newsletter. It's a way of creating a different kind of freebie. This is a download product, and you can add anything in this product if you like. You can add PDFs or audio files or maybe Excel sheets. Anything people need to download, you can create a product for that. And the great news is that they don't add up to your product account. So you can add unlimited download products in your Kajabi account. So all these digital products you can sell within Kajabi. And to do so, you need something like sales. And Kajabi have added their own payment system. It's called Kajabi Payments, but it is also possible to use Stripe within Kajabi. That comes with a little fee, or you can use really external payment platforms like Thrivecart, but then you need Zapier to get people back, and you're using 2 tools again. If you don't need to, just stick to Kajabi Payments. When I walk you through the sidebar, we have offers, and with offers you can create the checkouts like this one. And Kajabi is just inserting this checkout form with all the information and taxes like VAT, and people can select different payment services. So it's pretty easy to integrate a checkout inside Kajabi. You can use a cart. You can add multiple items inside a shopping cart. And this is currently still in beta. I think it needs a little bit more as it is pretty limited in styling. you have the option to send invoices. And an invoice is a payment link. So you can send a payment link to someone. They need to pay. And if they have paid, they get access to your products or your programs. You can use coupons and you can use affiliates to get other people promoting your stuff, and you can pay them a fee for it. So we have all the products and we have the payments, but of course you need some spot to sell it. And for this you have a website. And with the Kajabi website you get many templates you can choose from. But if you don't want to use these, you can select with the streamlined home and completely create your own website. For example, a website like this. Let me preview it. So this is a website we have designed for our clients, and they just can change the background, change the image, change the text, and this website is completely customized with all the other pages like your library, your opt-in pages, like for example your About Me page. It's already in there. And if you want to have this template, you can get it for free if you sign up for Kajabi using my link. You can get the best deal for Kajabi by signing up through jiffycoursonline.com/Kajabi. And when you sign up using my link, you also get our Launchpad training. And this is a full course to build your online business on Kajabi up to 100K yearly. You also get the template you need to build that business, like the template I just showed you. It's there for you. You get the swipe copy for your emails and your funnels, and you also get access to our community. And if you're really going further with Kajabi, we have 2 great bonuses also for you waiting. Just sign up for Kajabi with the link below you currently see on your screen. So now we have a website also in Kajabi. We need to contact the people. When you build a funnel, you need email marketing. And Kajabi is offering all kinds of email campaigns. You can send broadcasts that are single emails, or you can send sequences that start when people opt in for your freebie or something like that. Or you can even create email sequences that count up to a specific date in the future, like an event email sequence. And when you create emails in Kajabi, you can fully customize them again. Kajabi offers all kinds of templates you can use immediately for your email sequence. But personally, I prefer pretty plain emails. So most of the time, I just start with the simple text, because I think the less fuzzy it is, the more it feels like that a friend is contacting you, and that creates trust. And also with email templates, you can customize them fully. So if you have created your own template, you can save it as a custom template, and you will find it on top of the other templates. And you can start with that one every time. And this is very handy because you want to end with the same image and text and footer in every email. So you can use that every time again and again. By using the email software from Kajabi, you don't need other tools like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit anymore. That saves you a lot of money just on your email software. And of course, you need a CRM system inside Kajabi, a client relation management platform. So Kajabi can show you all the contacts, and you can filter them on all kinds of things they have done. You can filter them on tags, or maybe on the form they filled in, or you can filter them on the products they have. So it's very flexible to use. Then Kajabi comes with all kinds of statistics and analytics, so you can see how your business is actually performing. And as you can see in this demo account, we're not performing anything at all. There are a few more options like the partner program. So if you're planning to promote Kajabi like I do, then you can be of the partner program. There's an option to have the branded app. And the branded app is an app in the Apple Store or the Google Store. People can download and they have access to your product immediately. And if you want to know how the branded app looks like, you can download it from Jiffy Courses. Just search for Jiffy Courses and download the branded app. The branded app is an add-on on most products, so it costs $200 a month. But if you are in the Pro plan from Kajabi, it is for free. So if you're planning to use the branded app and you are in one of the plans, it's better to upgrade to Pro because you get so much more, and the branded app is for free. So let me give you a small recap. We talked about the products And for this, you don't need external learning management software. You don't need video hosting externally, saving you money. We talked about Kajabi Payments, so you don't need an external platform for your payments. It's already included and also very fast to use, as you don't need to connect the software dots in your business. We talked about your website and the hosting of your website. It's fully integrated. We talked about the email marketing and all the campaigns you can build. It's fully integrated. Your CRM is integrated, your analytics are integrated, and you also have an affiliate program if other people want to promote your products. So Kajabi is basically a complete all-in-one package for your online business. So let me talk a little bit about how great Kajabi is. I personally think it's pretty great, but if you look at all those different items, can we say it is the best? And then I need to say, well, it's an 8 on everything, an 8 out of 10. So probably if you want to have something like ConvertKit, you have more options, but also be prepared to pay a lot more just for your email marketing. In Kajabi, you get some templates, you can customize them, and if you really want to do it, it's still possible to fully change your website. And actually, this is what we do with Jiffy Course Online. We break all the templates into pieces, and then we build something new with it for your courses like Gamify Lite and Gamify Pro, or for your website with Kajabi Papers. By the way, the Gamify Lite template with a sidebar on the left sidebar and all kind of badges on the right sidebar, we designed this for you and you get it for free when you start with Kajabi using the link below. So let me talk about those prices a little bit more. As Kajabi is one platform and that's all your business needs, these are the prices to build your online business. We have basic, what is for most people the normal spot to start with, and that's $179. Growth is absolutely most popular because you get 50 products in it, 50 online tools you can use. It's $250 and Pro is $500. But if you are going to plan it and to use it for a year and you start paying it yearly, you get a 20% discount. And then you see your prices drop with about 20%. When you start with Kajabi, you will probably start in basic or in growth. But before you start paying, you can switch plans. You can go to a higher or to a lower plan and you can decide if you want to pay annually or monthly. So you're not fixed when you just started with Kajabi. Just try it out and see how it works for you. When you look at those prices, you might think, well, it's still a lot. But think, you don't need active campaign, and with 5,000 people, you're already saving $100 a month. You don't need video hosting, saving you another $25 or $50 a month. You don't need website hosting or website templates because they're integrated, saving you tens up to $100 a month for your website hosting. When you count up all those separate tools, you're probably paying already $500 or $600 a month for all the separate tools, and then you need to connect them with Zapier. In Kajabi, it's all integrated. You can ditch all those other platforms and just stay with this program. That's why I love Kajabi and that's why I use it for my businesses. I want to have the ease. I want it to be simple. I don't want to spend hours on how do I set up Zapier to get those tools together. With Kajabi, it's all integrated and it makes it more easy. So I hope you have a great overview of what Kajabi can do for your business and why an all-in-one platform can be really beneficial to your business. If you haven't done it so far, like this video and help me out and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really love that. Don't forget to download the Hitchhikers Guide to 100K. And if you're still hesitating on Kajabi, you can get the best deal with the link below. And you also get our launch pack with all the extra bonuses you see on screen currently. In the next video, we're going to talk about all those online products you can build. And we're going to look a little bit more what they actually can do because this was pretty fast. So stay tuned and just watch the next video you see currently on your screen. I'm Bastiaan the Koning. Hope to see you there.